Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we'll tell you about the newest resin LCD printer, Phrozen Shuffle. The media started talking about Phrozen after a successful fundraising campaign on Kickstarter. In 2017, the company launched its first printer, Phrozen Make. Inspired by the success, Phrozen entered the 3D printing market earlier this year with more serious intentions. They introduced 3 LCD printers, Phrozen Shuffle, and 2 more advanced models, XL and 4K. Shuffle printers feature a 2K LCD panel and a proprietary optical module called Para-LED, which consists of focusing lenses and an array of LEDs emitting UV light. The main feature of the Phrozen unique approach is making the UV light emit as close to parallel as possible. This increases the speed of resin curing and improves geometric accuracy over the entire print area. Both from the outside and the inside, the printer looks like a professional solution. Its metal surfaces are powder-coated in black color. All components are precisely fitted. The design itself looks solid and powerful. Before first starting the printer, engineers recommend to manually calibrate the printing platform. The whole process will only take from 5 to 7 minutes. If during the printing process you encounter problems, this procedure will have to be done once again. You can prepare digital models for transfer to a printer in a way that's most convenient for you. Phrozen manufacturers recommend using Mesh Mixer, Sheet 2 software, and the proprietary slicer PZ Slice. You can transfer the finished files into the printer's memory through a local network connection using a USB flash drive or via Wi-Fi. Phrozen Shuffle works well with both proprietary and third-party resins. For this review, we used consumables manufactured by Harz Labs. Another feature responsible for significantly improved print quality is the exceptionally rigid and stable design of the Z-axis. Unlike other companies' round guide rods and simple axle attachments, Phrozen uses a dual linear rail and ball screws in Shuffle printers. Besides the printer itself, the package contains a printing platform, a resin tank, a miniature USB flash drive and a Wi-Fi module, a toolkit, a network cable, protective gloves, and airproof tank cover. Practical and stylish design, consistent high quality of prints, relative affordability compared to other 3D printers of the same level. Phrozen Shuffle can be rightfully considered one of the best resin printers of 2019. Devices from this line are perfect for jewelers, dentists, and specialists working with high-precision prototypes. Want to find out more about 3D printers or even buy one right now? Just head straight to top3dshop.com. Have more questions? Please leave a comment, call us, or visit our website. Our contact information is in the description below this video. We will help you choose a 3D printer that's best for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you soon!